Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Core for Any. Today we will find out the one multiple restaurant UIUX kit, and we need to find out the here this URL to get here. Note down this URL. I will provide in description this URL, and here create the pre-cap Capi restaurant iOS UI kit, and here owner of the here Capi restaurant two owner, and we need to see the how to web design here the look the web design, and here provide the Photoshop and scratch files provide, and here this is the premium 40 pot screen, and we need to all screen convert into Flutter. Let's see the this is the screen for the here available inside the this, and here sign up onboarding screen, sign up flow, selection country, restaurant list, category wise restaurant list, here trending wise food wise list, here the all restaurant details screen, user review, read the complete package of the food multiple restaurant design here. And let's this all screen will be convert in Flutter mobile app. uh, let's see here creates a tab bar here, home, discovery, bookmarks, top foods, and my tab here. And this is the user comment, likes, user comment here, follow, unfollow, here take photos, here type and available scratch and Photoshop. Let's download this UIUX. Click on this button here and open Google Drive. We need to download here to download. Okay, here download now done. We will open this design, close this, and we need to open here. And this is the author PDF inside here, and this is the license here. Here version are created here. Is rights related, and you cannot sold out this thing, only learning purpose is used, and you are improve your performance. Let's the open scratch file here. Here available, if you not here display good, you can click here and automatically work here. Display good here, and let's create the first of all Flutter project. Open the terminal, and we need to go create folder first of all here, and we need to create here Flutter create org, give your organization name, and give here project name multiple restaurants. Let's create. Now project created now, and we will open in we open the VX coder here, and open go inside here folder, and here inside Flutter, and here multiple, drag and drop, and this open this project, close this whole thing, no need any uh, no need this scratch files. Now close here, and let's the remove here Windows web, Mac OS Linux, no need, only we will create only mobile apps. Remove, and we need to create folder here inside common folder, and here create one more folder common widget. For here if all project commonly use multiple use, create one time, use multiple time, type widget create here, like list tiles, cells, grid cell related, and buttons. Just now create here new folder to view, and side create new own folder home. We need to name small the letter, otherwise give warning. And we need to create one folder more login, and another one folder create onboarding. Let's type we create here, and one more thing here, create one file color extension. We need to give here app theme colors all text related, and let's here create extensions for that. We need to create here class color, and that here need to here create static color, that here must color, your color name is primary, and we need to import first of all material library, material dependencies add here, and we need to set here open the crash file, one need to get triple theme color, go here, this is the main theme color, copy this color, and we need to paste here, and now we need to create primary text color, white set here, we need to go add here, copy and paste here, text color, black, set here this black color side, okay. Now text color set, and go here, same color, start the same, check here this color, button color, and difference, we check here same, and go scroll down, check other color available here, this color, primary secondary color, we need to copy, this is the secondary color, same is text, we need to static and give color s, give first of all the spelling secondary and copy and paste again to set here color, set here secondary. Okay, and now we need to create favorite colors. Need to first of all get this to open color writing color. Copy text color, set here rating and check any more color use here and get here color other color to here color 1 color 2 etc. Here another way color we need to one more color set here subtitle color and set here color 1. Okay, now save this. We need to get this gray color gray color. So get here gray const set color to save here save set. Okay, now check other color here get this blue color color 2 color 2 set here and paste. We need to cut here and set here set color 2. Okay, now set done. We'll take some here and to check time more. Okay, now done this thing. And let's start the coding for about this on loading screen, and we need to next video in see how to create the this onboarding screen for this app. Thank you for watching this video. Share and subscribe if you new user, so please see old video.